Hi guys, this is Prashant here from prashantpacha.com. In this video, we are going to see a detailed review about turbo niches. Well, this product will be launching on 16th at 10 AM EST. So this product is created by Jamie and David, who are a big time affiliate marketer. So this turbo niche is all about giving you a perfect niche, whether it is a ClickBank or the CPA networks offer, which has a nearly like 50% to 75% commission with an traffic for you, so that you can send the traffic directly to the offers where you can earn money. So that's what it is all about, like dormant profit volcanoes erupt in 60 seconds. Watch me activate a free traffic disclosure on autopilot, that too with 5 clicks. It is a cloud-based software which I will show you right now. So it will create you ClickBank or Warrior Plus sales, and even also in CPA sales also. So he has given you the traffic sources, offers which you can promote in different niches. So that is why it is called as a turbo niche, I think. So it will give you an offers as well as traffic for you to promote, so that you can earn commission with it, either which is in ClickBank or a Warrior Plus. You can go through the sales page at your own time to see whether it is a good offer or not. For me, as personally, it is a good offer because Jamie is constantly coming up with a cloud-based softwares which will earn you an recurring commissions or a good amount of commissions for the customers to make it. So I think this is also a good software which I will review it in this later part of the video. So stick with me throughout the video. If you are ready to get this turbo niches, click the first link in the description below, where I have thrown some of my custom made bonuses or also, so that it will boost your time to get commissions in Warrior Plus or in ClickBank. As you can see here, described in 3 steps. Just log in, you will get the done for you campaigns, and literally with 5 clicks you will detonate the traffic explosion. In the sense, with literally 5 clicks you will get the traffic, so that you can earn the commissions. Here you can see the things about Jamie Lewis and David Kirby, who are the product creators, so that you go through this on your own time, this sales page, how it is looking like and how you can see whether it is a good offer or not. So let's skip into the turbo niches software. This is the turbo niche cloud-based application, where you will be finding, once you log in into, where you will be finding the training of the David Kirby. It is like a 10 minutes video, total 20 minutes of 2 videos. And once you have seen this video, go for turbo niches, which will show you the offers you can promote it. In the sense, for daily you will be getting only 20 searches for the front end version. If you need more searches for that particular day, you need to upgrade this turbo niches, which I will show you how you can upgrade in the later part. So as I told you before, only you get 20 searches for a particular day. So once you are going to click on this turbo niches, you will be getting this offer names. That's like, see, this is like never miss shortcut puts. I think it is 75% commission, and you can also, the main thing is find relevant keywords. If you click this find relevant keywords, you will give a never miss shortcut plus again, and these are the keywords which you can use it to write an article on your own website, so that it will drive an automatic Google traffic to the offer. So it is a great thing for you to do it. And as you can see, this is our sports. This is SEO based performance. In the sense, this offer is based on SEO based performance. This offer is for sports, and this offer is for spirituality, new age. It will combine all the niches. It doesn't look for only money making or health or beauty. It will combine all the things. So you can see it combines sports, spirituality, software and services, self-help, so survival. It will combine all the niches, so you don't need to worry about going through Google and search for the sports affiliate programs and all, because as you can see, this is a baseball affiliate program, increasing pitching velocity. It is a baseball affiliate program, right? So you can promote it also for 50% commission. You can find the relevant keywords by clicking it, and you can write an article based on these keywords on your own site, so that you can get traffic to your own blog. In turn, the traffic will be coming into this offer to buy this offer for 50%. Even you will get 50% commission when they buys it. So next one is about Turbo Business Calculator. Let's say many of them are asking me, I don't have any money to invest. Well, this is a great thing for you to invest, because let's say I want to make this amount of money. Okay, let's say there are many things like from $1,000 to $10,000. So that's not an issue here. Let's say I need $10. Okay, I need $10 in an hour speed. Okay, not in a day, in an hour speed. Just click it and click the grab your cash. It will give you the details. Let's say grab $10. It is like web design work. You can go to Craigslist and you can just put up the task, like you will web design the work. There is no cost for you. Skill level is 2, and it is also in web design work. You can do it as a freelancer. It is an affiliate recruiter. You can, I don't know what this mainly it is about, but you can go through this. Because once you go through if you click this link, you will be go through that what it is on, and you can set it up, because the startup cost is 0 and you can earn some money. That is like $10 per hour. And next one is like an Fiverr writer, YouTube Dominator, Fiverr talent, Headhunter agent, local dominator, Flippa dominator, Shopify, and Rhythmic spoken words, Bomb Shelter. These are all cost $0. So you don't need to invest anything in it. These are all $0, but you can earn like $10 per hour. So it is a great thing, right? You don't need to only go for $10. You can go for 20, 100, 200, anything you need. And it also not like an hour, a day, a week, a month, year and all. So if you click anything, you will get the blueprint and step-by-step methods which you need to go for it. And next one is about Turbo Biz Builder. It will give you the detailed structure of the offers, conversions, and the amount which you will be getting it as an commission with it. So let's say you have an offer, and you are for that offer you got 10 clicks and one member bought that. So you will get $37 as an rebill. In the sense, $1 for trial version and $37 rebill. Rebill in the sense, it is a recurring commission till that customer uses that software or in training. He will be paying that amount and you will be getting that $37. So it is like, see, in total you will be getting, for one customer you will be getting 328. So it is like a business calendar. You can go through it, how much commissions you can earn using a single system. And next one is about Turbo 5 clicks. This is the 5 clicks which was represented in the in the sales page. This 5 steps will give you the traffic methods for you, so that using this 5 steps traffic method you can drive that traffic to the offers to earn some commission. So first step is about create a Facebook fan page, and second step, you can download royalty free graphics. He will show you where you can download that. Next step is about create your own ClickBank account. If you already have a ClickBank account, then you can skip this step. Next one is about create your autoresponder account like GetResponse, Aweber or ConvertKit. If you already have an autoresponder, you can skip this step also. And last one is about create an SKUs page. SKUs page is about to capture the leads of the customers, so that you can again retarget with them with the same offer or with another offer using an autoresponder. So these are the 5 steps which you need to go to, which you need to implement it to gain traffic. So the traffic to your, with that traffic you can drive to your offers to make some commission. Next one is about Turbo Traffic Suite. So it is also a traffic, how you can gain that traffic to that particular offer. So let's say this is also related to only 20 searches. If you need more than 20 searches per day, you need to upgrade it, which I will be showing you later. So it includes all the niches, so you don't need to worry about it. It will go for 6-packs, apps, antivirus software, betting, books, betting strategies, carpenter, cat. It contains every niches. Okay, so let's say I will go for work from home, because I'm mostly in that, so I will show you about that only. So let's see what are the things which we'll get for work from home. As you can see here, virtual assistant work from home jobs. Okay, it is a ClickBank offer, and it also has an CP offers also. The payout is $75. So if you need a traffic source for it, you need to go for an AdSense or an ad roll. So if it is in orange, then it is an heavy competition. You don't need to, because that offer is not converting like that with that particular traffic source. Okay, let's see. Work at home, assemble, data entry work, online jobs. As you can see, it contains adverts, bidvertise, Bing. So you can go to adverts and you can create a campaign in adverts to promote this offer, which pays you $50, and it is a ClickBank offer too. So you can go to all the offers and you can see it is an AdSense. Only if it is represents green, then you do it. If you do this data entry work, online jobs in AdSense, then it is a waste of money for you, because that offer is not converting well in the AdSense part. So you just go for Bing ads. Only choose which is are in the green color. Okay, so that is about the turbo traffic suite. If you are looking to promote your custom offers, then you don't need to worry about it. Just click that turbo custom offers. You will be redirected to the pay click start. Okay, in this pay click start, just come into it. It is some C Prosky has invited you to become an affiliate for a customer for Office One. So you just need to request to promote. He will approve your he will approve you to promote his program as an affiliate, where you will be getting like 50 to 75% commission. So next one is about URL shortener. So URL shortener, let's say if you are going for ClickBank or Warrior Plus offers, you will be getting an unique affiliate link, right? You can't able to directly share that link in the social media or to your customers, because it will be looking spammy, right? So you just paste your affiliate link here and click on the shorten. So it will be it will short your affiliate link, where you can it will be looking somewhat good instead of spammy link, where you can promote it to your customers. Next one is about an article writer, where you can be able to write articles about the offers in your own in your own website or in some other Google sites also. So it is not a problem. You can just you go to the JV page, pick up the words, you just paste it here, and you can just go for a spin, or you can go for any other blogs which are well known, copy those content, keep it here, and you can spin it and you can write it on your own in your blog. But I don't encourage you guys to copy content from other guys. You write it on your own, because that will easily relate with your audience and it will be good for your SEO traffic from Google too. Next one is about a graphics editor. Well, in this graphics editor, you can design the graphics instead of Canva. If you using Canva, is also not a problem, but you need to skip to the Canva and you need to come onto Turbo Niches also. But in this software itself, they have come up with the same module based same module like Canva. As you can see, even if you go for Canva, it will be looking like this only. So it is like the same based of Canva part. You can just use this also instead of Canva. So that is about the design part, because if you need to go for Canva, you need to skip the tabs, right? But here is included everything from URL shortener to article writer to graphic design, even landing page also. You can create your own landing page, in the sense fees page, in this Turbo Niches also. So you don't need to buy something like ClickFunnels and all, because it is costly, right? Like ClickFunnels comes with $97 per month, but here you will getting a free landing page also. And last one is about a video tutorial, which I already showed you in that in the first part itself, where you will be getting 2 welcome videos, right? That is the training, which is of 10 videos per video. 10 minutes per video. You need to go through this first. After that, you can see what are the things which you will be getting, like Turbo Niches, Turbo Business Calculator, Business Builder, 5 clicks. I mostly recommend you guys to go for Business Calculator, because you can earn some easy cash like $10 to $20 without spending any time. And also about Turbo 5 clicks, because you can within the 5 clicks you can try the traffic to whatever the offer you need. So turbo niches will give you the offers which you can promote. So everything is included in this turbo niches for you. It will not only comes with the money making niche, it comes for all the niches from health, beauty, relationship, sports. It contains an whole package of niches, so you don't need to worry about it. So if you are interested in this turbo niche, then click the first link in the description below. You will be landing on to my bonus page, which is like this. I made a custom bonuses for you only for those who are buying this turbo niches with my link is in the first link in the description below. So once you land on to this bonus page, just come to the this button here, which is orange color button. Click here to secure your own copy and your bonuses. Once you click this, you will be redirected to the sales page where you can get this turbo niches for only $17. For only $17, you will be getting an whole things which is all mentioned in this cloud-based app for you for just $17. Okay, I think it is a well-devised plan and for just particular money. So let's see the offers, bonuses which I am giving it for you for this particular turbo niche software. So in this turbo niches, the first bonus is about get access to Aurora Pro. Well, Aurora is launched by Jono and Brendan Mays, which has gone to nearly 2000 plus sales, which will give you a detailed training on how you can promote the Warrior Plus offers also. So you can go through that, and not only that, this Aurora Pro only available for 24 hours, so make sure you click this link before that offer expires. And my next thing is about 2 traffic source where you can use with alongside with the turbo niches. So in the turbo niches, you already mentioned the traffic method which you can use it with the Facebook page. Here I am giving 2 high quality traffic source which I am personally using it to promote the Warrior Plus and ClickBank offers. You can go through this training and you can implement those traffic sources. My third bonus is about the email swipes. Well, you will be getting traffic and you will be promoting the offers, right? So you will be also collecting the emails with the squeeze page, landing page. So once you collect those emails, you need to build a relationship with your customers and you need to promote the same offers or on different type of offers in the future, right? So you need an email swipes for it. That's why I will be giving a 2000 plus converting email swipes for you, where you can just easily copy and paste it in your autoresponder. My fourth bonus is about an Eclipse. It is like also a Jono Armstrong product, which I will be giving a full training of the Eclipse in this. So you will be getting it for free. And last bonus about the turbo niches vendor bonuses, which will be available in the turbo niches cloud-based app itself. So these are the offers which I am personally giving it to you. So if you are interested in this turbo niches, click the first link in the description below, where you will be landing onto this bonus page. Once you land onto this bonus page, click one of the orange button where you will be redirected to the sales page, which you can buy this turbo niches for just $17. I am sure it is worth your dollars because it is a good amount of product which I have reviewed it till far. So what is this turbo niches about? Turbo niches is an internet marketing program that combines software with an incredible strategy and resources, because this turbo niches will show you how you can earn $10 to $20 without spending any money, and also it will give you different types of niches and affiliate programs for you, so that you can promote it with the traffic source which I had mentioned with only 5 simple steps using the Facebook page. So everything is included in this software and turbo niches. You just need to utilize it so that you can earn some money. So the first front end dollar is about $17, which I mentioned it earlier, and next one is about unlimited, which is for $47 or $27. You can buy it for $27 also. So in the turbo niches, you will be, if you use this turbo niches app, you will be getting only 20 searches right per day. But if you upgrade this for unlimited OTO1 unlimited for $27, you will be getting an unlimited amount of searches for particular day, so that you can find the offers for you to promote easily. Next one is about done for you, which is of $67 or on $47 down sale. You can get this $47 down sale. In this, they will do it everything for you. the team which Jamie maintains will get to work and save the amount of time you need to put regularly to achieve this income goal. Then the third upsell is about $67. You will be get to attend the unlimited attendance to the webinar training for life, because Jamie will be doing a webinar training on regular basis. Those trainings will be given to customers for $97 per training, but if you pay now $67, you will be getting all the webinars for life, that too for free. If you pay it once $67, you will be getting it every webinar for you for life. And next one is about traffic, which is of $197 or $97. It is like ethically jacking their traffic to your awesome launch. You just need to give the Google AdWords pixel or Facebook pixel. They will be putting it on their own sales page launches. From that, you will be getting a huge amount of traffic to your offers. And next one is about resell rights to the turbo niches. You can sell this turbo niches as your own product, so that you can earn 100% commission throughout this funnel. So let's see the benefits of this turbo niches. You can create thousands of, you can earn thousands of dollars using this system. It is a new cloud-based app which works on autopilot. You can become an affiliate for any offers from ClickBank and CPA networks. Even you can become an affiliate for a custom-made offers also. I showed you like from you can get a custom offer for a scene Prosty. You can able to become an affiliate for this offer. So you can also promote the custom offers. You will be getting 100 done for you campaigns, 9 traffic sources. All are free traffic sources, so there is no paid source which you need to invest some money in it. You will be having a quick video tutorial also. Even if you don't have it, you can contact the support for it if you have any issues in this turbo niches. So that's it in this video. If you are interested in the turbo niches with my custom made bonuses, so click the first link in the description below, where you will be landing onto my bonus page. Once you land onto my bonus page, click on any of the orange color icon which says click here to secure your own copy and bonuses, which will be redirected to the sales page. This is the sales page which you will be redirected to. Once you redirected to here, just go through the sales page and click the get instance access now, so that you will be getting this for $17 only. So that's it in this video. I'll be seeing you in the another video. Bye.